just getting out here by the fence. Just stuck this off of the water. And something came by and said hello. We're gonna see what this is because it sure feels nice. Okay, try to run. Oh yeah. Decent little catfish, boy. We can do this kind of damage. We're gonna be all right this Sunday.
Yes, sir.
We'll be back, y'all. Number 2, y'all. This fish fighting on the by the fence too, y'all. Always hoping to catch a Ronnie, you know. We'll just have to see. I'm always call that a Ronnie. Come on, baby. Come on in here. There, y'all. Look how fat that tummy is, will you? Woo-wee. We'll be back. This is number 3, y'all. Fish is just sitting there on the bottom waiting for me to bring him in. That's all it was. Look at that. Come on. And I mean very nice.
Yes, he is.
This is surprising. And we're loving it. We'll be back. Yeah. Feel like playing. Come here, man. Gotcha. Yeah, this is one more, y'all. You know, when I get to number 5, Ron just gonna go shrimp on me.
Basically.
Just, let me get over down the right side of it. You throwing straight out. It seems like they all in there. We'll be back. This thing hitting today, y'all.
For him.
Yeah. I said, let him know. For you. Look at that, right by the whisker, y'all. That's it. Just by the whisker. That's how he's caught. For me.
Yeah.
But we'll be back. Number 1 for Ron, y'all. While I'm getting a hit over here. Yes, sir. Very nice.
Very
too.
nice. Very nice.
Ooh, lordy, lordy, look at that, y'all. We're gonna catch these all day. Happy Sunday, y'all. Trying to tell me it don't want to come in. It's gonna come in. It's a good one, but it ain't a Ronnie, y'all. I know what a Ronnie feels like. That ain't a Ronnie. Look, yeah, I had him weird. That's what the deal was.
You done rolled on you.
Yeah. Come here, Daddy. Come here. I got you. I know. Didn't even get him in. Got him in the belly, y'all. We around to catch him any kind of way they come. Don't matter. It don't matter. Got him in the ass. We'll be back, y'all. Actually, figuring it was already on. But I was tired. I said, I'm gonna sit down there. Then I'll check it. soon as I grabbed it, I said, yeah, he on, all right. It's another healthy one, y'all. We'll be back. Ron caught. Right here. That one, I caught. Y'all, we having a ball. You know what I'm saying? Just hold on. Just hold on. We'll be back, y'all. Ron's got it, y'all. It's all been catfish so far, so I'm gonna go ahead and say it's gonna be a cat. Look at him fight. I mean, they all are just healthy. These are my kind of cats here. If I don't, look at the length, width, everything is just fine for us, y'all. We'll be back. And another for Ron, y'all. Look at here. And they're like kinfolk. They're all in the same area. Size, width, tastiness. We'll be back, y'all. Whim that we decided. And look here, y'all. Look at that fish. And we caught this at the same time, y'all.
Say twinsies. Let me get the camera.
Yeah, he gonna take the camera now. And booyah. Just like that. Two at the same time. We having a good day, y'all. We'll be back. Yeah. Ooh, come here. All about the same. Tell you what, y'all, it ain't no runs yet, but boy, we got a miss already. That is class fish right there. We'll be back with you. Come on. I done stopped counting, y'all. There's another. We'll be back. Come on in here. Oh, that stuff now. Okay. Hold on a minute. You want me? Yeah, I think you do. Yeah, you do.
Caught up in something?
Feels like, but I'm gonna let it sit until I get this other one. So we saw. Long one. Some of the last ones for the day, y'all. We're getting ready to head in. Since that sun's about to go down, but they sure get long around this time, man. That's something. We'll be back. Y'all, we don't want to leave. If I had fishing lights, I'd just stay. Man. Come here. Come on. That wasn't in the water 2 minutes. There it is. We'll be back.
Oh my God! Come!
Look at that. Will you look at this?
Look at this.
How he caught this. Trouble in the ass, y'all. Look at that. We'll be back. This is EJ and Ron, father and son fishing, and it's been quite a day, huh, Ron?
Yes, sir.
This has been quite a day, and as you see by the sun going down, it's getting around that time for us to head across this lake, because we way across, look at it. We way across this lake now. On the other side, so. But we've had an incredible catfish day. And I got another here while I'm talking to you. So I'm gonna hand this to Ron. And holler, fish on. Oh. Oh, thank you. I'm gonna fight these fish put up. It's easy, y'all. Wow. Come on. Come over here. Hey. Get up. Oh, little fatty. I'm telling y'all, if we could stay here till tomorrow morning, we would. Ron gotta go to work though.
Yeah.
Yeah, right in the whiskey. Wow. We'll be back, y'all. I'm sorry, I didn't finish with what I was saying, y'all. We've had a fantastic fishing day, and every time I talk to you, I get another. So I'm gonna get this back to Ron again. Fish on. Woo, y'all. We just keep saying, give us another 10 minutes. Oh my goodness. That's coming before we leave. We'll be back. 10 more minutes. We were just talking about how many times I'm gonna have to edit my exit video, because every time I get on here, a bite happens, and I had to give it to Ron. He had to videotape that one, and again, I'm gonna say again, the water has been absolutely blessed us today. I'm gonna have a freezer full of catfish. Matter of fact, I might have to sell some bags this time, because I'll be cleaning fish tonight while the Super Bowl is being played. I'll be cleaning fish. So what we're gonna say is we're gonna see you next Saturday, hopefully, if the weather holds up. And if the weather keep on holding up, Sunday too. Because we don't start liking this after church fishing. That's what I'm gonna call this, after church fishing.
Get blessed and then you get blessed.
Yeah! Yes, sir. So we're gonna say goodbye, but I might come back. So just hold your horses, all right? I was mad enough last month. It was $425. That's $400. And then they sent me one $542. That's all. I need to speak to whoever I need to speak to. Something is wrong. This cannot be right. Oh, another. Excuse me, y'all. I was talking about some other stuff. But here's another. Right there. And we shall be back. I know I said bye, but it's not really bye yet. All right, we'll be back.
In football, any sign of weakness can be used against you. So I always put on a tough front. But inside, I was struggling mentally on how and what to do. It takes years to understand that only by opening up could I begin.